This is our foraging calendar 2025, and it's beautiful. It's been generated by artists, not AI. All the content is written by us, not a computer. The very talented Alicia has come up with all the sketches inside, and if I just flick to a random page, let's see. Oh, there you go. A forager's classic, wild garlic. Now we've got the image at the top, which is beautifully hand painted, and then a bit of description underneath, including some picking guides, cooking tips, and other important information, and then obviously the monthly breakdown down below with 6 extra things to go and forage. This month being March, we've got ground elder, morel mushrooms, birch sap, cow parsley, lava, seaweed, and magnolia. So once you've completed this, once you've gone and found this, you can go and find these things for yourselves. I'm really rather proud of it, so I hope you get yourself a copy. To get your copy, simply follow the links in the video below, or head to foragebox.co.uk.